today I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's called popping with your mouth, or as I call it, popping with your mouth. My friend taught me this, Marcus. His name's Marcus. Shout out to Marcus. Hey, Marcus! And, well, we're going to grab one finger or the other, and I'm going to put one on the side, like that, really close to the side. And then, the bigger your cheek gets, the louder the noise is, so you want to make your, we're going to go like, and you're just going to flick your finger out. Like that. Now you try.